If you're already here. Yeah, that's really great. And see if you have any other friends who want to join even. So you can just tell them to join this class. All right. Just a minute. Assalamu alaikum. हेलो. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ ठीक है. So guys, here we go. And today we are going to see here advanced level vocabulary. All right, in that vocabulary, the first topic I'm going to take today is what simile in English. Simile is what? Now, what do you mean by simile in English? Yes? What do you mean by simile? Who can tell me this one? Similes in English. Anyone knows what do you mean by simile?
No idea.
No idea?
No idea.
All right, please pay attention. Now, simile is a figures of speech. Point number one. Simile is a figures of speech. And what figures of speech is this? This figures of speech will give you, I'm going to read the definition of it. A simile is a figure of speech which is a thing or person, which is used for a thing or a person for the sake of comparison. Said to be like another, the word simile is derived from similes, a Latin word for like. Okay, so just for the comparison, we are going to use the word simile. All right, it is a Latin word, simile, which we are going to see today over here. Now, simile will help you a lot to make very great sentences here with comparison. Now, when you want to show some kind of comparisons, you're going to use the similes. Okay. Now, similes is one of the great, what do we say, figures of speech in English, which we are going to see today over here. Point number one, I'm going to give you some similes over here just to practice at home. All right. Let's start now. So the first one here, it is what? As agile as a monkey. As agile as a monkey. Now what do you mean with this? Now simile करता क्या है? Comparison के लिए use होता है ये, especially for comparison. Okay? Comparison हम लोगों को किसी से करना है, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग क्या use करेंगे? Simile. Comparison of a thing or comparison of a person. We can use their similes. Okay? For comparison of a person, comparison of a thing, we are going to use their simile. Point number one, as agile as a monkey. What do you mean by this? As agile as a monkey. Monkey की तरह फुर्तीला. So while making sentences, you can make a sentence like this. For example, you know, my nephew is as agile as a monkey. तो एक sentence बन जाता है. अगर आप लोग को बोलना है, my, अब यहाँ पर ध्यान दीजिए, ये उसका meaning होता क्या है, कैसे use करना है हम लोगों को. Please pay attention over here. All right. Point number one, if I want to say my nephew is very quick. Okay. अब मुझे ऐसा बोलना चाहिए था, मेरा जो नेफ्यू है बहुत बड़ा, बहुत ज्यादा क्विक है. माय नेफ्यू इज वेरी एक्टिव. बहुत एक्टिव है. ये एक नॉर्मल सेंटेंस हो गया. मैं आपको सिर्फ ये बता रहा हूं दैट हाउ कैन वी मेक अ पावरफुल सेंटेंस व्हाइल यूजिंग दीज थिंग्स. ओके, माय नेफ्यू इज वेरी क्विक और माय नेफ्यू इज वेरी एक्टिव पर्सन. उसकी जगह पे मैं क्या बोलूंगा? माय नेफ्यू इज एज agile as a monkey. My nephew is as agile as a monkey. मेरा nephew ऐसा है जैसे monkey की तरह फुर्तीला एकदम हो. बहुत ज्यादा इधर कभी उधर कूदता है, कभी उधर कूदता है, कभी इधर कूदता है, कभी उधर कूदता है. तो बोलने का एक सेंटेंस आ जाता है हमारे पास में. So as agile as a monkey means what? Very very active. So I'm going to write here the meanings of them. At least you'll come to know. Very quick. Okay. Next one. As bald as a coot. Next one, as bald as a coot. What is mean by coot? Who can tell me? What do you mean by coot? Yes, as bald as a coot. Yes, as bald as a coot.
No
What is
idea.
a coot? Yes, Miss Tasmia. What is coot? Tasmia, ma'am.
So,
Yeah. What do you mean by coot? मैडम चुप नहीं बैठना है. मिस रुकैया, what is coot? साहिल, what is coot? मुजाहिद, हंस होता है. हंस मालूम है, देखा रहेगा आप लोगों ने. बदक के ऐसे रहता है, देखो पानी में होता है हंस, बड़ी चोंच वाला. देखा कि नहीं? एनिमल है. अ बर्ड लाइक डक. डक के ऐसा एक एनिमल है हंस. यस, उसको कूट बोलते हैं. तो टकला रहता है ना, तो हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? टकला कूट के जैसा. मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी बॉल्ड. वेरी वेरी बॉल्ड. नेक्स्ट वन, प्लीज ध्यान देना है आप लोगों को यहाँ पर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, एज ब्लाइंड एज अ बैट. एज ब्लाइंड एज अ बैट. बैट मीन्स व्हाट? उल्लू. वो रहता है ना रात में, क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? चिमगादड़ बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? बैट को मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी ब्लाइंड. चमगादड़ होता है ना, उसको बोलेंगे बैट. तो उसकी जगह अंधा. हम लोग बोल सकते हैं किसी को, यू आर एज ब्लाइंड एज बैट. आप चमगादड़ की तरह अंधे हैं. तो अगर हम लोग को किसी को बोलना है कि ही इज वेरी ब्लाइंड, मतलब यानी बहुत ही आदमी बहुत ज्यादा अंधा है, तो हम लोग किसी को ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, यू नो शी इज एज ब्लाइंड एज बैट्स. चमगादड़ के ऐसे अंधी है वो. नेक्स्ट वन, एज बोल्ड एज ब्रेस. नेक्स्ट वन, एज ब्रेव एज लायन. एज ब्रेव एज अ लायन मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी ब्रेव. वेरी ब्रेव. लायन की तरह बहादुर है. माई ब्रदर इज एज ब्रेव एज लायन. My brother is as brave as lion. You should be as brave as lion. Lion की तरह फुर्तीले. Next one, next one, next one. As calm as mill pond. As calm as mill pond. What do you mean by this? As calm as mill pond means what? Very quiet.
very sad.
बहुत ही क्या भाई? बहुत ही खामोश. मिल पॉन्ड मीन्स व्हाट? लेक होता है ना, झील होती है, झील. मिल पॉन्ड बोलेंगे उसको. तो झील कैसी रहती है? एकदम चुपचाप रहती है, एकदम शांत. तो हम लोग बोल सकते हैं एज काम एज मिल पॉन्ड. देयर वर मेनी पीपल एट द फ्यूनरल एंड दे वर एज काम एज मिल पॉन्ड. द पीपल एट द फ्यूनरल वर एज काम एज मिल पॉन्ड. मैयत में लोग सारे ऐसे चुप थे, बिल्कुल खामोश थे, झील की तरह. झील कैसे खामोश, सन्नाटा छाया हुआ था एकदम. तो आप लोग ऐसे बोल सकते. सी, मैं आपको सिर्फ बताना ये चाह रहा हूँ कि आप लोगों को बोलना क्या चाहिए था. माई नेफ्यू इज वेरी क्विक, माई नेफ्यू इज वेरी एक्टिव. उसकी जगह पे आप लोग बोल सकते हैं माई नेफ्यू इज वेरी अजाइल एज अ मंकी. तो मतलब एक सेंटेंस के अंदर एक जान आ रही है. वो सेंटेंस थोड़ा हाई लेवल का हो रहा है. यू हैव टू स्पीक लाइक दैट. सो एट द फ्यूनरल पीपल वर एज काम एज मिल पॉन्ड. मतलब यानी बहुत लोग काफी खामोश थे. yesterday my home was completely as calm as mill pond. मेरा घर कल बिल्कुल एकदम शांत हो गया था. क्यों भाई? रिजल्ट आया ना. नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? as changeable as the moon. very nice. as changeable as the moon. मून की तरह चेंजेबल है. आप लोग बोल सकते हैं, यू नो माय अंकल इज एज चेंजेबल एज द मून, नॉट कांस्टेंट. बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं कर सकते आप उसकी तरह. चांद की तरह चेंज होता है वो. आज कुछ है तो कल कुछ और, कल कुछ तो परसों कुछ और. बहुत ही दोगला इंसान है. सो माई अंकल इज एज चेंजेबल एज द मून. आप लोग ऐसे किसके ऊपर भी थोप सकते हैं जबरदस्ती में. ओके, सो माई अंकल इज एज चेंजेबल एज द मून. नेक्स्ट वन, द मैटर इज एज चेंजेबल एज द मून. द मैच इज एज चेंजेबल एज द मून. मैच कहीं भी पलट रहा है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है. next one, as clear as daylight. As clear as daylight. What do you mean by this one? Very clear. बहुत ही क्लियर हो गई पिक्चर. अभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, the picture is as clear as daylight. The matter is as clear as daylight. मामला पूरा आसमान की तरह साफ हो गया है. सुना रहेगा आप लोगों ने हिंदी के अंदर. ये सुनो, हिंदी उर्दू में आप लोगों ने सुना रहेगा, आसमान की तरह मैटर साफ हो गया है. सो उसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, the matter is as clear as daylight. The matter is as clear as daylight. Next one, clear as mud. मजा नहीं आएगा उसमें. Common as muck. So as common as muck. As common as muck. What do you mean by muck? muck का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, who can tell me the meaning of muck? Sahil, what do you mean by muck?
Sir, I'm listening first time.
Yes,
Sir, I didn't listen before this word.
actually your voice is coming very low, huh?
Sir, I
Yes,
listened
Farhat.
first time this word.
Okay. Tasmia, what's the meaning of muck?
Mud. Mud.
Mud.
Dirty
Not
mud.
exactly. Not exactly. Not muck. Muck is what? Dirt. Dirt. Gandagi. Okay. That's what gandagi. So as
Hmm.
common as muck means what? As common as muck मतलब यानी बहुत ही कॉमन चीज है. गंदगी गंदगी क्या हर जगह मिलती रहती है आप लोगों को. So as common as muck. For example, this product is as common as muck. आप लोग ऐसे सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. This product is as common as muck. Next one, as common as muck. Next, as cool as cucumber. As cool as cucumber. As cool as cucumber. What do you mean by as cool as cucumber? Means what? Very cool. There are two sounds: cucumber and cucumber. Cucumber and cucumber. Cucumber and cucumber. As cool as cucumber. For example, his nature is as cool as cucumber. The matter is completely as cool as cucumber. मतलब इन्हें matter काफी ठंडा पड़ चुका है. Next one, as cunning as fox. One of my favorites. What do you mean by this? As cunning as fox. यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए please कि आपको ये लेवल का इंग्लिश जल्दी से कहीं पर भी सुनने को देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. Means what? Very betraying. धोखा देने वाली. Okay? As cunning as fox. You know, that man is as cunning as fox. वो आदमी लोमड़ी की तरह चतुर और चालाक है, बिल्कुल धोखा दे सकता है. सो ही इज एज कनिंग एज फॉक्स. द मैन इज एज कनिंग एज फॉक्स. मतलब है नहीं, बहुत ही चतुर है, धोखा देने वाला इंसान. नेक्स्ट, एज डेड एज डोरनेल. एज डेड एज डोरनेल. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? एज डेड एज डोरनेल. यस, एज डेड एज डोरनेल. मतलब है नहीं, completely dead. Completely dead. The animal is as dead as doornail. मतलब यानी दरवाजे का जो ये होता है ना, खिल्ला होता है, एक बार मारने के बाद में उसको अपने निकालने के बाद में सही होता है क्या? वो नहीं, कंप्लीटली खत्म होया हुआ रहता है, मरा हुआ रहता है. तो आप लोग बोल सकते हैं as dead as doornail. The animal is as dead as doornail. Next one is very good. As deaf as post. As deaf as a post. पोस्ट की तरह डेफ, बहरा. वेरी साइलेंट. इसका मतलब होता है वेरी साइलेंट, बिल्कुल खामोश. ही वॉज स्टैंडिंग एज डेफ एज अ पोस्ट. मीन्स वॉट? बहरे की तरह एकदम खड़ा हुआ था, बिल्कुल खामोश. मीन्स वॉट? वेरी वेरी क्वाइट. ही वॉज स्टैंडिंग एज डेफ एज अ पोस्ट. पोस्ट कैसी होती है? आवाज कर कर आती है क्या पोस्ट? नहीं, चुपचाप आती है. नेक्स्ट वन, एज ड्रंक एज अ लॉर्ड. नहीं बोलते इसको. एज ड्राई एज अ
So what is
बोन.
the meaning of post?
व्हाट डू यू मीन पोस्ट? एज डेफ एज अ पोस्ट. पोस्ट होती है ना, पोस्ट. हम लोग पोस्टमैन की जरिए पोस्ट खत आती है, खत वगैरह, लेटर. सो वी कैन से दैट एज डेफ एज अ पोस्ट. पोस्ट कैसा आता है? बिल्कुल आवाज किए बिना. कॉल तो आवाज करता है, मैसेज आवाज करता है आते हुए, बट पोस्ट बिना आवाज के आता है. सो वी कैन से एज डेफ एज अ पोस्ट. नेक्स्ट वन, एज ड्राई एज बोन. एज ड्राई एज अ बोन. हड्डी की तरह सूखा. मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी ड्राई. वेरी ड्राई. Very dry. So as dry as bone. We can say not exactly. The canals are as dry as bone. Canals पूरी सूख गई हैं हड्डी की तरह. बट ऐसा बोलते नहीं है. इंग्लिश में चल जाएगा, हिंदी में नहीं बोलते हैं ऐसा. नेक्स्ट वन. dull as ditch water. As dull as ditch water. What do you mean by ditch water? Yes. What do you mean by ditch water? Anyone knows ditch water? फेंका हुआ पानी रहता है ना, गंदा पानी, खराब पानी, छोड़ दिया हुआ पानी, कई दिनों से रखा हुआ है, उसके लिए यूज होगा. मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी बोरिंग. एज डल एज डिच वाटर. माई अंकल इज एज डल एज डिच वाटर. बहुत बड़े बोरिंग आदमी है वो. ऐसा लगता है कि उनको नहीं, कैसा देख देख के खुद आदमी बोर हो जाएगा. सो एज डल एज ditch water. So meaning मैंने उसके आगे लिखा है, आप लोग उसके हिसाब से सेंटेंस बना सकते हो. Okay, so as dull as ditch water. Next one is as easy as pie. As easy as pie, or as easy, no, अलग लिखता हूं मैं उसको. As easy as pie means what? Very easy. पाई की तरह easy, बहुत ही एकदम मस्के की तरह बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, मस्के की तरह निकाल लिया उसको. Next one, next one, next one, as easy as pie. Next one, as easy as falling off a log.
Sir, tell the meaning of muck again.
Pardon? Muck?
Yes, sir.
It is here on the screen. M-U-C-K, muck. Yes?
Sir, I didn't know what's the meaning of muck. You tell it now only, but I forget what's the meaning of muck.
The meaning of muck is what? Dirt, gandagi.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah, pay attention now. As flat as a pancake. Pancake की तरह flat, chapta. You know, the man had an accident and he was completely as flat as a pancake. और एकदम बिल्कुल चपटा हो गया था वो pancake की तरह. So as flat as a pancake. Next one, as good as gold. As good as gold. The opportunity is as good as gold. Means what? Very important. Or precious. What do you mean by precious? आज आप लोगों को जो चीज मिल रही है ना, इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है फुल वीक. बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग एट होम देन मे गॉड हेल्प यू. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज सुनने के लिए आप लोग को मिल रही है, सीखने के लिए यहाँ पर. सो प्लीज वैल्यू इट. इसको फालतू में जाने मत देना. ओके, एज गुड एज गोल्ड मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी प्रेशियस, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट. हम लोग बोल सकते हैं द अपॉर्चुनिटी इज एज गुड एज गोल्ड. वो अपॉर्चुनिटी सोने की तरह इंपॉर्टेंट, सोने की तरह प्रेशियस है, कीमती है, बहुत ही वैल्यूएबल है, वेरी वैल्यूएबल. नेक्स्ट वन, as green as grass. What do you mean by this? As green as grass. हरा भरा, हरा भरा. My house is as green as grass. मेरा घर पूरा हरा भरा है एकदम ग्रास की तरह. Your nature is as green as grass. Means what? आपका नेचर काफी हरा भरा है, मतलब है नहीं काफी खुशगवार है. Means what? Very happy and very amazing, very good. बोल सकते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर as green as grass. As happy as a pig in muck. As happy as a pig in muck. थोड़ा सा सुनने में बुरा है, बट बोल सकते हैं आप लोग गुस्से में किसी को ऐसा. As happy as a pig in muck means what? ऐसा खुश हो रहा है जैसे कि एक पिग रहता है ना गंदगी में खुश, आहा हा बहुत मजा आ रही है, आहा हा. तो हम लोग किसी को बोल सकते हैं she was as happy as pig in muck. उसको क्या मिल गया रिजल्ट, बाप रे. उसको क्या मिल गया, बाप रे कार. उसको क्या मिल गया, बाप रे बंगलो. She was as happy as a pig in muck. वो लड़के को क्या रिजल्ट मिला? He was as happy as a pig in muck. क्योंकि मालूम नहीं था 35 पे पास हो गया ना अचानक में. So this is what? Next one, as happy as a sand boy. Very good. As happy as a sand boy. What do you mean by this? As happy as a sand boy. Same. Very happy. Very happy. आपने देखा है कोई बच्चे को मट्टी में खेलते हुए कितना खुश रहता है ना, कैसे खुश रहता है, आहा हा. As happy as a sand boy. As happy as a sand boy. आज पता चलेगा आप लोग कितने अच्छे लेवल पे सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. ओके, सो प्लीज जस्ट माइंड दीज similes. As happy as a sand boy. Next one, as hard as nails. So as hard as nails. Nails की तरह hard means what? Very tough, very hard. बहुत ही खिल्ले की तरह मजबूत. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना बहुत टफ है, बहुत हार्ड है. So as hard as nails. As hard as nails. Next one, as helpless as baby in arms. As helpless as a baby in arms. मतलब है नहीं उस बच्चे की तरह मजबूर है जैसा कि एक छोटा पापा होता है ना, वैसा. मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी हेल्पलेस. मतलब है नहीं आप तो ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं जैसे कि आप एक पापा हैं जो कि गोद के अंदर है और जो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता है. मीन्स यू आर एक्टिंग लाइक वेरी हेल्पलेस मैन, लाइक अ बेबी इन द आर्म्स. ओके, एज हेल्पलेस एज अ बेबी इन द आर्म्स. आप किसी को बोल सकते हैं आई एम रियली सॉरी, आई एम वेरी हेल्पलेस एज बेबी एज इन द आर्म्स. मतलब है नहीं मैं एक बच्चे की तरह हेल्पलेस हूँ, जैसा वो बच्चा हेल्पलेस होता है, ना खुद की तरीके से कुछ कर सकता है, ना खुद की तरीके से वो कुछ बोल सकता है. उसी तरीके से मेरी हालत हो गई कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ। जब आप लोग ये सेंटेंस सामने वाले के सामने बोलेंगे वो आउट हो जाएगा, बोलेगा ओ माय गॉड क्या इंग्लिश बोल रहा है सामने वाला। नेक्स्ट वन, as hot as hell. As hot as hell means what? Very hot. You know, today the weather was as hot as hell. आज का जो weather था ना, बाप रे, it was as hot as hell. मतलब है नहीं, जहन्नम कैसे लग रहा था घर, इतना गर्म हो रहा था. It was as hot as hell. Next, as innocent as a new baby born. So baby born की लगाम मत लगाओ, baby born means what? Very innocent. आप बोल सकते हैं इतना, as a new baby. You are as innocent as new baby. My sister is as innocent as a new baby. मेरी बहन इतनी शरीफ है बेचारी, जैसे कोई छोटा नया बच्चा पैदा हो गया हुआ बच्चा रहता है ना, वैसा इतनी शरीफ है बेचारी. तो आप लोग ऐसे फेंक सकते हैं, ठीक है, ऐसी झूठ बात भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं. Next one, 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 next one. As light as a feather. As light as a feather. As light as a feather. मतलब है नहीं, very light. मतलब है नहीं, बहुत ही हल्का, बहुत ही हल्का. फीदर मतलब है नहीं, पंख की तरह एकदम हल्का. अभी पंख का वजन कभी देखा है क्या आप लोगों ने? पंख होता है ना, मुर्गी का पंख, कबूतर का पंख, तो पंख का कुछ वजन होता है क्या? नहीं होता है. तो उसकी तरह हम लोग बोल सकते हैं as light as a feather. feather की तरह बिल्कुल एकदम light. Next one, as lively as a cricket. As lively as cricket. Sorry. As lovely as a cricket means what? Live. बिल्कुल live. As lively as a cricket मतलब यानी क्रिकेट की तरह आंखों देखा, बिल्कुल light. Next one is what? As mad as a hatter. As mad as a hatter. As mad as a hatter. What do you mean by this? As mad as a hatter means what? Very mad. इसके ऊपर hatter के ऊपर कभी एक स्टोरी है, कभी आपको फुर्सत में सुनाऊंगा, तब आपको समझ में आएगा ये. So by the way, we have seen here today 27, oh my god, 27 similes. Great people. So first 15 are in front of you. Can you please make some sentences with these 15? पहले 15 के साथ में सेंटेंस बनाइए प्लीज. ये 15 के साथ में आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है पहले. Can you please make sentences with these 15? I want to see your sentences. And see, everyone is going to speak up, okay? Please, everyone will speak up. See, एक बात याद रखिए, दुनिया में कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है, टेंशन लेने का नहीं. अच्छा आया तो अच्छा. और सी, यहाँ पर कोई है बंदा जो मुझे पढ़ाने के लिए आया है? यस, कोई बंदा है जो मुझे पढ़ाने के लिए आया है यहाँ पर?
नो सर.
नहीं ना?
नो सर.
तो सिंपल सी बात है, अगर कोई मुझे पढ़ाने के लिए आया तो वो भी बताओ, मैं भी पढ़ने के लिए तैयार हूँ. तो सब आप लोग पढ़ने के लिए आए, बराबर ना? टेंशन लेना नहीं बिल्कुल भी, कुछ भी रहेगा बिंदास आप लोग सेंटेंस बनाइए, मैं आपको करेक्ट करूंगा. मेरा काम ही वही है कि मुझे आपको करेक्ट करना है. यस और नो? सो टेंशन लेने का नहीं, गलती हुई तो क्या हुआ, मैं हूं ना करेक्ट करने के लिए. सो प्लीज मेक गुड सेंटेंसेस विद यू. अच्छे अच्छे सेंटेंस बनाइए प्लीज.
My running.
एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क मी डायरेक्टली. सो प्लीज स्टार्ट मेकिंग सेंटेंसेस नाउ. अब हर एक को सेंटेंसेस बनाना है, कोई भी रुकेगा नहीं. यस, कंटिन्यू. साहिल प्लीज स्टार्ट.
My running between the wickets as agile as a monkey.
Correct. My running between the wickets was as agile as a monkey. Good. Nice start, huh? मुजाहिद रुकना नहीं आज. शाजिया, रुकैया, मुफीज, जैनब, तस्मिया, make sentences please.
My friend is
as ditch water.
drinking.
Repeat once again.
Yesterday I saw a movie and it's as dull as ditch water.
Very good. It was as dull as ditch water.
My friend is agile as a monkey.
Very good. My friend is as agile as a monkey. Very good.
To face pace bowling, we have to be as brave as a lion.
Very good. We have to be as brave as a lion.
My uncle is as bald as a coat.
Very good. Mufiz, make sentences. Shazia, Tasmia, Ruqayya, Mujahid.
My pet is as blind as a bat.
Very good.
If we practice daily, then the topic will be as clear as daylight.
Very good. Very good.
I am as brave as a lion.
Very good.
She's nature as cool as cucumber.
Very good. Her nature is as cool as cucumber. Her nature. Yes. Yes. Shazia, Tasmia, Mujahid.
My mom is as calm as Milton.
Repeat once again.
My mom is calm as Milton.
Very good. My mom is as calm as mill pond. Yes, continue please. कितना easy है. बहुत easy वाला topic लिया मैंने आज. Please.
In Test cricket, batsmen were as defeat as a post.
As deaf as a post.
My friend is blind as a bat.
Very good.
I want to become as brave as lion.
Correct. Lion, lion. I want to become as brave as lion. Tasmia, please make sentences, please. Yes.
My elder brother is as much as calm and Milton.
Very good. Yes, continue. Continue, please, continue.
Laziness as easy as pie.
Very good. Yes, continue, please. Yes, please, continue.
When she entered in the class, the student as deaf as a post.
The student was as deaf as a post. Deaf, deaf. Yes, continue. Yes.
My friend is cunning as a fox.
Yes, ma'am.
Shy people as calm as mill pond.
Very good. Shy people are as calm as mill pond.
I can see it as clear as daylight.
Very good.
Her new seminar is as dull as the thought.
Very good.
When we play cricket, my sister is as common as mug.
Very good.
I am as cool as cucumber.
I'm cool as cucumber. Very good. I'm cool as cucumber. Yes, next.
In February, the climate is as cold as cucumber.
Very good. In February, the climate is as cool as cucumber. Yes, continue.
My mother is cucumber.
Very good.
If ball hit on head, batsmen are as dead as doornail.
Doornail. If he hits the ball on head, the batsman is as dead as a doornail.
So what means of betraying?
Pardon? Betray means
What
dhoka.
means-
Dhoka, dhoka. Yes. Yes, continue.
My neighbor is dead as doornail.
My neighbor is as dead as doornail. Good, next.
On the ground, the Ronaldo is as agile as a monkey.
Correct. Ronaldo is as agile as a monkey on the
My
ground.
friend is as cunning as a fox.
Correct. My friend is as cunning as a fox. Shazia, Ruqayya, Mujahid, Tasmia, Very
Tra-
easy. Very easy. Please make sense. Continue.
Traveling alone are as dull as ditch water.
Very good.
My best friend as brave as a lion.
My best friend is as brave as a lion.
A, co- a corn is as dry as a bone.
Very good.
The
Yes.
cereal is as dull as ditch water.
Very good. As dull as ditch water.
The paper is as easy as pie.
Correct. The paper is as easy as pie. Very nice. Very nice.
This
Yes.
coding is as changeable as the moon.
Very good. The coding is as changeable as the moon.
The what means of constant?
Constant means what? एक ही जगह पे रहने वाला, चेंज नहीं होता है वो, जो कभी चेंज ही नहीं होता है.
T20 cricket is as changeable as the moon.
करेक्ट. T20 cricket is as changeable as the moon. ओके चलो मैं आज
My
आप लोगों को कुछ
house
सुनाता
is
हूँ.
as
वेट अ मिनट.
changeable as the moon.
वेरी गुड. जस्ट अ मिनट प्लीज. वेट अ मिनट. मैं आपको कुछ बताता हूँ आज. कैन यू प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास ऑल ऑफ यू. आई वांट टू सी यू. सभी लोग अपना अपना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए प्लीज. जल्दी जल्दी प्लीज. जल्दी जल्दी. जल्दी जल्दी. यस. शाजिया, रुकैया, तस्मिया, जैनब, मुजाहिद, मुफीज. फास्टर फास्टर. जल्दी जल्दी कीजिए प्लीज. आई वांट टू सी ऑल ऑफ यू. सबको देखना है मुझे. जल्दी जल्दी कीजिए. जल्दी प्लीज. तस्मिया मैडम. हेलो. तस्मिया मैडम. हेलो. मिस तस्मिया, मिस रुकैया. Very good. Yes, Miss Shazia. Miss Tasmia, can you please turn on the camera? Mujahid. क्या हुआ है आप दोनों को? Hello.
Sir, Azan is going on right now.
Okay. All right. However, please pay attention here. I'll tell you the story. एक छोटा सा स्टोरी मैं आप लोग को स्टोरी बताने वाला हूँ. ध्यान देना है. गौर से सुनना है मेरी बात को. अभी अपने क्लास के अंदर कुछ लोग सेंटेंसेस नहीं बना रहे हैं. ये खास उनके लिए, वैसे बाकी सब लोगों के लिए तो है ही, और खास उनके लिए जो सेंटेंस नहीं बना रहे हैं. I'll tell you one story, and the story is about a fish. Once what happened, there was a man and he had a nice fish tank at his home. Mufiz, my dear, pay attention. Don't play with the camera. Zainab, turn on the camera. Yeah. So, once what happened, there was a man and he had nice fish tank. Nice big fish tank he had as its home. Okay. What happened one day? He thought to do some experiments. In the tank with the fish. What he did, he used to put the food for the fish. Sometimes here, sometimes here, sometimes here in the tank. Sometimes here in the tank, sometimes here in the tank. And what happens? After a certain period of time, after some days, what he did, he put there a barrier in between the tank. उसने टैंक के अंदर एक बैरियर लगाया. टैंक था इतना बड़ा, उस टैंक के बीचों बीच में उसने क्या किया, एक बैरियर लगा दिया ग्लास का. There was a plain transparent glass was there in between the tank. टैंक के बिल्कुल बीचों बीच में लगा दिया उसने. And he again tried. And what happened? The fish was trying to go to the another side, and the fish was unable to go because there was a glass. वहाँ पे glass लगा हुआ था ना, तो fish को जाने के लिए नहीं आया वो side में. The fish tried very hard to go to the next part of the tank, but the fish was completely failed to go to the next part of the tank. At last, the fish tried and lost. But the problem is what happened with that fish? The fish has made up the mind that I could not cross my limit and could not go to the next part and the further part of the tank. After a certain period of time, what happened? The man was there. He removed the glass from the fish tank. After a certain period of time, the man removed the glass from the fish tank and put the food in the next part of the tank, the other part of the tank where the fish wasn't going. But still, the fish was being stuck in the same area where it was before. And the fish wasn't going to the next part. Why? The fish wasn't going to the next part of the tank. Why? Sahil, why Shazia, why Rukaiya?
Because he has put the glass.
No. After removing the glass, even the fish was not going to the next part of the tank. Why?
इसको लग रहा है अभी भी वहाँ glass है.
Correct. The fish was thinking that still there is a glass and I could not pass from my area to that area and I could not have that food. वो fish को लग रहा था कि वहां पर अभी भी ग्लास लगा हुआ है, अभी भी वहां पे कुछ तो बैरियर है जिसकी वजह से मैं वो फूड को खा नहीं सकती हूं, मैं अपने ही एरिया में रहूंगी. वो फिश को ऐसा लग रहा था, पर ऐसा था क्या? ऐसा नहीं था. नहीं था ऐसा. The fish was thinking that there is a barrier and I could not cross my limit and could not go to the next level of the tank. I will be staying here only. And the whole life, the fish was staying to the first part of the tank only. And the fish did not go to the second point of the tank. Why? Because the fish has made up the mind that I could not cross my limits. वही चीज हमारे साथ में भी हो रहा है. जो लोग सेंटेंस नहीं बना रहे हैं, मैं उन लोगों को ये खास बोल रहा हूँ, सी आप अपने माइंड को लिमिटेड मत रखिए प्लीज. अपने माइंड को लिमिटेड मत रखिए प्लीज. क्यों लिमिटेड नहीं रखेंगे? बिकॉज सी आप लोगों को लगता था, आप लोगों के लिए सामने किसी ने ग्लास लगाया था, आपके टैंक के अंदर भी, आपके टैंक में भी कभी ना कभी किसी ने ग्लास लगाया था और आपको ऐसा बोला था कि आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकते. करेक्ट? आपको ऐसा लगता था कि मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोलूंगा. आपको किसी ने बोला था कि आप बोल नहीं सकते. आपके सामने से ग्लास लगाया था, बट अभी आप बड़े हो गए हैं एंड समवन हैज रिमूव्ड दैट ग्लास फ्रॉम द टैंक एंड स्टिल यू आर थिंकिंग that I could not make sentences, I could not speak English. Simple. आपको अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता हूं. Wrong. You are in illusion. You are in dilemma. बहुत बड़े illusion के अंदर, बहुत बड़े धोखे के अंदर हैं आप लोग. This is the same story I told you before about the elephant. Yes or no? Do you remember it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Elephant story was there. There was an elephant and that elephant was tied up with a small rope. एक elephant था. अभी एलिफेंट इतना जंड होता है एकदम. एक एलिफेंट था, पतली सी रस्सी से बंधा हुआ है. Yes or no? And the man was going through the street. वो स्ट्रीट से जा रहा था आदमी. And the man saw there was a huge elephant tied up with a small tiny rope. The man was completely amazed. Oh my God. That huge elephant is there, tied up with small rope. It might be escaping. ये तो भाग सकता है, भाग जाएगा ये तो. That man was completely shocked and he went to the owner and he asked the owner that why did you tie this elephant with the tiny rope? The owner said that I know he won't escape. The elephant will not escape. उसने बोला आदमी ने, आपने इसको इतनी पतली रस्सी से बांध कर रखा है, आपको नहीं लगता है कि एलिफेंट भाग जाएगा तोड़कर? He said no, the elephant will not escape. Why? क्यों? Because when the elephant was a child, I tied up that elephant with the same rope. And that elephant tried a lot at the time to escape, but it was completely failed. उसने उस एलिफेंट को, जब वो बच्चा था, पापा था, छोटा नन्ना पापा था, पैदा हुआ था, उसने उसको तब वो पतली रस्सी से उसको बांधा था. उस वक्त में वो एलिफेंट ने बहुत ट्राई किया, क्योंकि उसके अंदर ताकत उसमें नहीं थी उतनी. That elephant tried a lot at that time and got failed completely to escape from there. फेल हो गया वो, क्योंकि उसमें उतनी ताकत ही नहीं थी. It hasn't got any sort of strength like this to escape from there at that time. And since that day, that elephant tried, and at last it lost. और उसने क्या किया? लास्ट में आने के बाद में उसने बोला छोड़ जाने दे, अपने से नहीं होता है. At last it failed, and that day the elephant has made up the mind that I could not escape from this rope. मैं ये रोप से भाग नहीं सकता हूं. Now the elephant has grown up. अब एलिफेंट बड़ा हो चुका है, मस्त एकदम तबियत है कि नहीं, बड़ा हो चुका है, ताकतवर हो चुका है. स्टिल द एलिफेंट इज नॉट क्रॉसिंग द लिमिट, स्टिल द एलिफेंट इज नॉट एस्केपिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज द एलिफेंट हैज मेड अप द माइंड दैट आई कुड नॉट एस्केप. उसी तरीके से आप में से कुछ लोगों ने ऐसा दिमाग बना लिया है कि मैं बोल नहीं सकता हूं. ऐसा मत कीजिए. आप लोग बोल नहीं सकते, बल्कि आप लोग झगड़े भी कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश में, है कि नहीं? आप लोग इंग्लिश के अंदर झगड़े कर सकते हैं. रुकैया कैसे? एंजेलिना जोली. यस शाजिया कैसे? नाना पेट के स्टाइल में झगड़े करूंगी मैं तो. रुकैया कैसा? कोंडवा के स्टाइल में झगड़े करूंगी अभी के अभी मैं, वो भी इंग्लिश के अंदर. मुजाहिद कैसा? यस और नो? सो इवन यू कैन फाइट. यस और नो साहिल? ओनली इन इंग्लिश. लेटेस्ट गाली 2020 की. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. सो लिटरली यू कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. सो प्लीज, आज मैंने बहुत ही सिंपल सा टॉपिक लिया है. यू हैव टू स्पीक हियर बिकॉज सी दिस इज द स्टेज जिसने, मैं ये मानता हूं, इन दिस लॉकडाउन आई हैव फेस्ड समथिंग दैट इफ द पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, ही कैन स्पीक एनीवेयर इन द होल वर्ल्ड. किसी भी स्टेज पर जाकर बोल सकता है वो. और अगर वो कैमरे के सामने नहीं बोल रहा है तो वो कहीं पर भी नहीं बोल पाएगा. सो अभी हम लोग बिना कैमरे के बात कर रहे हैं. अब तक हमारा कैमरा बंद था और हम लोग बात कर रहे थे. One day I'll make you to speak up in front of camera. Why? Just to face the crowd, and inshallah you'll be speaking amazing. This is what my guarantee. All right, so please help me to help you. अपने आप को हेल्प करने के लिए आप मुझे हेल्प करेंगे. मुझे हेल्प कैसे करेंगे भाई? Please try to make sentences. मैं इतना कर सकता हूँ कि मैं आप लोगों को पीछे लग सकता हूँ भाई. बोलो 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 बोलो. मैं आप लोगों को डायरेक्टली ऐसा पानी मुंह में लेके ऐसा दे नहीं सकता हूँ कि पियो. In English there is a proverb. You can take the horse to the lake, but you can't make it drink. आप horse को लेक के अंदर तो लेकर जा सकते हैं, पर आप उसको पानी नहीं पिला सकते हैं. It is the same case over here with me. I can just make you to learn, but I can't make you to speak up. मैं आपको पढ़ा तो सकता हूँ, पर बुलवानी ताकत अल्लाह की है. So please help yourself to speak up. All right? अब जितना हो सकता है सेंटेंस बनाइए. जितना भी जो भी फेंकेंगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर गलत रहा तो मैं आपको करेक्ट करूंगा. All right? Let's start it now. So if you want to, you can turn off your camera. No, no problem. Let's go. Chalo, 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 chalo. Can you please give me some sentences now here?
Sir, that
Yes.
yes, recording when you listen.
Don't worry, my dear. आज के आज में मिल जाएगी. Actually, I was quite busy in my some other work. Inshallah, today itself I'll send you on.
So you didn't have send link also.
Don't worry, don't worry. आज के आज में दे डालूंगा दीदी. Tension नहीं लेने का आप. चलो जल्दी जल्दी. Yes.
My neighbor is as changeable as the moon.
Good.
My manager as agile as a monkey.
My manager is as agile as a monkey. Very good.
That
I hope,
door
मुझे लगता है कि आज मैंने आप लोगों को 2 स्टोरीज सुनाया हूँ. इंशाल्लाह वो स्टोरी कुछ काम करेगी. देखते हैं. प्लीज एटलीस्ट कुछ सेंटेंसेस बनाइए आप लोग. डरिए मत. Yes. Yes, yes. Continue.
That door is as dead as doornail.
Okay. Okay. Just try.
Wearing a tire, my body as dry as
Correct.
bone.
Yes.
My cousin as dead as a coat.
Very good.
My friend is blind as a bat.
Very good. My friend is as blind as a bat.
The door is as red as doornail.
Okay, okay. Same sentence, don't repeat again and again.
The rotten
Yes,
apple is common as muck.
very good. As common as muck. This medicine is as common as muck. This product is as common as muck. The matter is as clear as daylight. His behavior is as changeable as a moon. Yes.
गले को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे?
Repeat once again.
सर गले को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे?
गला, neck. अंदर का क्या बाहर का?
अंदर का.
अंदर का throat होता है. And बाहर का neck. Yes, continue.
My family is cunning as a fox.
Very good. My family is as cunning as fox. बच के रहना
My
family से
sibling
वरना आपा दे
always
देंगे
told
अपने
me
को.
Some
English
people
is
as blind
as
as a
easy as a
bat.
pie.
Very good. My siblings told me English is as easy as pie. Very good. Yes.
Some
My
people as
friend-
blind as bat.
Very good. Miss Tasmia, speak up.
My friend is as deaf as a post.
Very good.
After finishing
Shazia,
the work,
Tasmia.
My family is cool as a cucumber.
Very
The,
good.
the
As cool
online
as cucumber.
classes is as dull as ditch water.
Very good.
My uncle as brown as lion.
As brave as lion. Very good.
The English is as easy as pie.
English is as easy as pie.
The English class is easy as pie.
Very good. Yes, Miss Tasmia.
Getting a job in White High Junior is as good as gold.
Very good. Very good.
after finishing the work, my throat gets dehydrated as dry as a bone.
Very good.
The backseat driver is brave as a lion.
Very good. Yes, Miss Farhat, are you sleeping? Miss Shazia, please speak up.
Sometimes my friend's behavior is as cunning as fox.
Very good. Sometimes my friend's behavior is as cunning as fox. Zainab.
My friend is well as deep water.
Very nice. Very nice. Yes, Sahil. Mujahid.
A handicapped person's life are as blind as a bat.
Very good. A handicapped person's life is as blind as a bat's.
The rotten apple is as dull as ditch water.
Very good. The rotten apple is as dull as ditch water. Very nice. Very nice.
I'm never as changeable as the moon.
I am never as changeable as the moon.
The fox is as cool as cucumber.
Very good.
Always I keep my room as clear as daylight.
Very good.
Einstein is as brave as lion.
Very
So
good.
can you please repeat once more the sentence second one, as bald as coat?
As bald as coot means what? Sentence for this one.
How can we frame the sentence according to that sentence?
Simple. It is simple. We can say, for example, my friend is as bald as coot. Or we can say my uncle is as bald as coot. Means what? With no hair. Very bald.
Okay.
And
Yes.
Sir is as brave as a lion.
My elder
Continue.
sister told me maths is as easy as pie.
Good. Yes, continue. Continue.
Answer is cool as a cucumber.
Nice. Thank you. Continue.
I thought this movie is as dull as this water.
Good. Shazia, make sentences. Rukaiya, Shazia. Yes, Miss Tasmia.
He is
Make
as
sentences.
clear as daylight.
Very good.
The movie is well as deep water.
My father said the work is easy as a pie.
Very good.
The cricket is as common as mud.
Correct. Cricket is as common as muck.
The
Yes.
food is as dry as a bone.
Very good. Next.
My
Yes.
family is
Our Indian.
A cunning.
My family is as cunning as fox. Oh my god. Yes, Miss Tasmia, start sentences, please.
Sister is as
My brother as cool as cucumber.
Very good. My brother is as cool as cucumber. Shazia, Miss Shazia, Miss Rukaya.
is calm as millpond.
Very good.
Yesterday's conflict solved as clear as daylight.
Very good. Yesterday's conflict is as clear as daylight. Next.
The day is as clear as daylight.
Good. Sahil.
If we get successful, our life is as easy as pie.
Correct. If we get successful, our life is as easy as pie. Yes.
My friend is as blind as a bat.
Correct. My friend is as blind as a bat. Next.
So may I speak?
Yeah. Please.
Our Indian army is as brave as lion.
Correct. Our Indian army is as brave as lion. Next.
The clock is as dull as a doornail.
Good. The clock is as dead as a doornail. Very nice. Nice sentence, huh? Very nice sentence. Clock तो एकदम मर गई है बोलते हैं ना हम लोग clock के अंदर तो जान ही नहीं रही चल ही नहीं रही है. So the clock is as dead as doornail. Very nice sentence. I loved it. Nice. Rukaiya, please give me some good sentences. I'm expecting some great sentences from your side, Rukaiya and Shazia.
Most of the smart cricketers I saw are calm as millpond.
Correct. Most of the smart cricketers are as calm as millpond. Yes. Anything else?
The rotten
apple speaking is dull as doornail.
Very good. Can you please check some other ones which are here? As hard as nails, as happy as a sandboy, as green as grass, as good as gold, as flat as a pancake, as helpless as a baby in arms.
My family is as a feather.
Very good.
English language
But not
as easy
exactly.
as pie.
English language is not easy as pie. Arey, don't say like this. It is very easy. Yes, simple. Continue, please.
My house is as flat as a pancake.
Very good.
My family
Chapta hai.
as good as
Yes.
My satchel as flat as a pancake.
Very good.
Desert is as hot as hell.
Very good. The desert is as hot as hell.
The English is as lively as cricket.
English is as lively as cricket.
When I meet my old friend, I feel as happy as Sandboy.
Very good. When I meet my old friends, I feel as happy as a sandboy. Miss Tasmia makes sentences.
Positive thinking as good as gold.
Very good. Positive thinking is as good as gold.
My friend is as helpless as a baby in arms.
Correct. My friend is as helpless as the baby in arms. The government is as helpless as the baby in arms. Yes.
Grandfather as good as gold for my father.
Correct.
my family is good as food.
Very good.
The food is as green as grass.
Not exactly. Food के लिए green as grass मजा नहीं आ रहा है. Yes.
My flat as green as grass.
Repeat once again, Mujahid.
My flat as green as grass.
My flat is as green as grass. Sahil.
When the time is in our favor, then the things are as light as a feather.
Correct. When the time is in our favor, we feel everything as light as a feather. Yes, Miss Shazia, Miss Rukaiya, Miss Tasmia. Give a sentence.
When Vandals win a championship, they are happy as a pig in a mug.
Yes, continue, please.
English is as good as gold.
Good. Shazia.
My uncle's garden is as green as
Grass.
grass.
Very good.
Government as happy as a pig in mug.
Wow, क्या तमाचा मारा है मुझे पे government के. Government is happy as pig in mug. Nice. Yes.
The rotten apple is as hard as nails.
Correct. The rotten apples are as hard as nails, doornails. Yes.
When my nephew are come in my home, they are happy as a sandboy.
Correct. My nephew, when the nephew comes to my home, they are as happy as a sand boy. Next.
A backseat driver is as helpless as a baby in arms.
Correct. The backseat driver is as helpless as a baby in arm. Next.
CA course as hard as nail.
Very good.
So
My
what
niece
means
is
of very
as
innocent?
very innocent, बहुत ही मासूम. My niece is as innocent as a new baby. Yesterday the weather was as hot as hell.
My youngest brother is an innocent as a new baby.
Very good.
My
I was watching the fight as lively as a cricket, as lively as crickets.
baby is helpless as a baby in arms.
Very good. Yes, Miss
When I am
Tasmia.
on the beach, I am as happy as a sandy boy.
Sand boy.
Sandy.
My
I
manager
am as
helpless
happy
as a
as
baby
pig in
now.
milk.
Oh my God. Yes, Mujahid.
My manager as helpless as a baby in arm.
Very good. My manager is as helpless as a baby in arms.
The climate is as hot as hell.
Very good.
In the police station, the culprit is as helpless as baby in arms.
Very good.
The cooking is as hard as nails.
Nice.
My
West Indies as hot as hell.
West Indies is as hot as hell. Yes.
My sister is innocent as a new baby.
Wow. Yes, Miss Tasmia.
Learning Java language is as easy as pie.
Good. Miss Rukaiya.
Rotten apple react as innocent as a new baby.
Nice. Continue. The opportunity is as good as gold.
A captain dog is as a animal.
Actually, I'm not listening you. Your voice is very, very low, Mufiz. Yes.
Answer is as innocent as a new baby.
Oh my God, really?
Once the time has
Yes.
been gone, I feel as helpless as a baby in arms.
Very good. Very good. The time passes, I feel as helpless as a baby in arms. Yes.
The English is as helpless as baby in arms.
Correct.
Some people thinking online classes is as hard as nail.
Correct. Online classes are as hard as nails. Some people, they think like this. Yeah, continue.
The garden is as green as grass.
Very good. The garden is as green as grass. Yes.
Good
Some people think
heart
as innocent
is-
as a new baby.
Correct. Some people react as innocent as a new baby. Some people pretend to be as innocent as a new baby. Yes.
My parents renovate my house as green as grass.
Okay. I see coronavirus update as lively as cricket. Yes. Anything else?
I am as hard as nails.
Oh my God. Yes. Rukaiya, Shazia, Miss Tasmia.
I have a
Yes.
few friends who are as good as gold.
Very good. I have a few friends who are as good as gold. Yes, please continue. Yes, the desserts are as dry as bone. Yes. The chapter is as dull as ditch water. The concept is as easy as pie.
Saudi Arabia is as dry as a bone.
Saudi Arabia is as dry as bone.
The life is as easy as pie.
Life is as easy as pie. My neighbor is as good as gold. Nice.
The lecture is going on as lively as cricket.
Correct. Next year will be as lively as cricket. Yes. Anyone else? Any sentences with it?
My family members are as good as gold.
My family members are as good as gold. Anything else?
Some politician, some politician
Yeah,
as dull as ditch water.
correct.
The cupboard is as flat as a pancake.
Good. Yes,
If we be with rotten apple, our life is as hard as nails.
correct. As hard as nails. Yes, Miss Tasmia.
He protects her phone as good as gold.
Very good. The cats and dogs are live as crickets, as lively as crickets.
The
Shazia.
TV is as dead as doornail.
Good. Miss Rukaiya. बोलिए भाई सब बोलिए प्लीज जल्दी जल्दी बोलिए. Yes.
The peach is looking as flat as pancake.
Pancake. Very good.
The Maggie is as dry as a bone.
Correct. See, you have to practice. You have to practice these things at home as well. Yes, Mujahid.
Your bike color as light as a feather.
ये वो वाला लाइट नहीं है, ये लाइट वजन वाला है, हल्का.
Light,
The
okay.
garden is green as grass.
Correct.
And now my voice is coming clear.
Yes, Miss Shazia.
Trump's speeches are as innocent as new baby.
Good. Miss Rukaiya.
The chip is as dead as doornail.
Very good. Yes, Miss Tasmia.
So you can take up.
All right, no problem at all. So this is what even I have to move somewhere urgently. So we are going to stop it here. We are going to continue this tomorrow and see. I'm going to send you a PDF of some IELTS topics. You have to prepare one topic and you have to speak up tomorrow here. All right, we are going to continue with these sentences once more and we are going to see tomorrow our speaking, how to speak over here in public. Tomorrow I'll be giving you some great, blueprints of speaking English in public. How to speak English in public and how to present, how to give a presentation on stage. Each and everything I'm going to tell you tomorrow. All right, so please don't be absent and be on time. We'll see you tomorrow on time. Please practice at home. And if you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me directly tomorrow. All right, we'll see you. Cheerio.
So you will send PDF now?
Yeah. I'll send in time. Actually, I'm going right now somewhere. So after getting back from there, I'll be giving you. All right, we'll give you on WhatsApp. And if I don't give, please remind me once. All right. Cheerio.
So what kind of topics we can get?
The topics are over there. You can just go through the topics and you will find there are some questions. You have to answer them and you have to speak minimum 3 minutes. Minimum 3 minutes and maximum 5 minutes. That's it.
Bye, sir. Cheerio.
So what are you going to do?
Bye-bye.
I have given many topics over there. So you are going to choose one topic and you're going to speak upon that. So you're going to talk like, for example, general information, features, advantages, disadvantages, and you have to answer the questions. That's it. So 3 to 5 minutes you have to finish in between. Okay?
Camera will be on.
Yeah, absolutely. Why?
Okay, sir.
Never mind. सब यहाँ पर faulty हैं, चलता है, पूरी दुनिया में ही है. So just relax. All right, and please don't be absent. जो भी absent रहेगा फिर वो मुझे मंडे के दिन मिलेगा. फिर मंडे के दिन उसका अकेले का टेस्ट. Okay? We'll see you. Cheerio. Bye bye.
Cheerio. Bye bye. Take care.
Nara.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.